need it.
So the value is getting... The value is...
Actually, I'm not using anymore because I'm using this.
Benta mo naman sa kanya, Ben.
Ano benta ko sa kanya, isang daan?
Meron lang. Uy, syempre, nababa na yung ano nun, rate nun kasi 3 years na. How are you?
Uy, bakit Day? Good as new pa rin yung Day. Bago ang string ko. B65.
Some months and then you just vanished away.
Magtanggal na na.
Ah, yeah, that's good.
No?
Yeah, it's
Natalo ba?
Okay.
Salalo ba?
Ah, you mean this one smashes or
Uy, ang takas ko na.
John was telling me about that. It's nice, man. You were also
Kasi
played
nagtatatak
there.
pa ni Kuya. Kaya
Talaga.
Last Friday we played, yeah, in Khalifa City. But yeah, that Friday group.
patay.
With the Friday group.
Hindi siguro.
Because yeah, there were no
Chamba lang,
coaches.
chamba.
Everyone said that like
Chamba lang yun.
Hirap na talaga siyang talunin, Ben.
because it's Friday.
Chamba lang yun. Level din na? Ay, siguro te. Ay. Happy ako sa ano. Happy ako sa
Khalifa City actually is not good for this Friday group. They kept saying that.
Hindi, kasi hindi siya pwede maglagay kasi.
Di siguro ko ka nga.
Hoy,
Sige kita eh.
hindi ako papayag.
Wala.
Hindi ako papayag. Bakit? Kasi
Bakit?
Ano na yan?
Oo. True. Tawag doon?
Protest?
Protest ako. Hirap kang alalahanin mo yung dalawa na kami no, then nun. Magpo-protest ako na. Sino ang hindi pwede maglaro sa siguro?
Nga.
How are you, man?
Good.
I heard you won lots of tournaments recently.
Yeah, she is. See, you understood our topic, huh?
Yeah, George kept telling me that, yeah. He said, I am going to join a tournament. Next day he said, you won. Then he said another, then he said again.
Yeah. See the record, huh? It was breaking the record.
Lah,
That's why I told Navid, that's why I told her, like, when you gonna play the tournament with category E, you go.
No, no.
You need to
He
be,
should be in the upper
yes,
category.
E plus, right? No? Oh. Mix. Eh, minsan nagsumali ka na kayo.
Nung tour, pumunta sila sa Dubai. Sumali sa tournament. Kasi yung mga di, bumaba ng kita. Wala ko nakapasok sa kanila. Mga taga-Dubai. Hirap talaga.
So, join that tournament.
Yeah, I would love to. I'm just trying to improve my game.
Sa Dubai.
But yeah, I have to find some partners because for now I'm doing
Kaya wala na.
Yeah, you need to find a partner.
Hirap playing with makajutos.
Yeah. Because you know the bodybuilding movements really needs practice.
exactly. Yeah.
Yes, there is.
So, limited option.
Then, parang single court sa outdoor. Sa White Tower? Oo. Ano, badminton? Ha?
Sa third floor. Hindi doon sa...
Lang.
Sa third floor.
Doon sa may basketball court?
Ah, yeah.
Sa taas?
Di ba
Outdoor pa rin yun.
Outdoor yun. Di ba tennis court yun? Naglagay na kami ng lines.
Magkano ang ano?
Wala naman free.
Kasi pagkano.
Free lang.
Yun nga lang daw. Gusto mo? Mama, bukas? Mag-try lang tayo dito. Tenda natin. Uy, doon lang tayo.
Sa ano?
Naglalaro ako.
Bukas, dito tenda.
Wala tayong ano.
Manghiram nga tayo sa kanya. Try lang natin. Shoes. Okay na to. ito. Pinanggahok mo nga ito nung ano, paddle eh.
Ang panay naman ba
Dati kayo nagpa-pattern sa kalimutan. Yan, bilang. Kasi free ang court.
Ano, in ka bukas? Ganun ka.
Wala na sagad tayo kapag kurantay, no?
Kasi first time, kita try natin.
Sports fighter na tayo tayo. Ano na sports? Kulo na lang pag-swimming.
Sige na, try natin.
Sige. Ito kasi ito eh, oh.
Ganun kita, okay.
Kalagkari, matay ka naman, no?
Uy, nasa bahay lang tayo.
Ba't wala ka bang ano?
Buhay din kasi ako.
may dalawang yung isang resident doon. Sila nagtutulungan. First time, beginner
Si Wayne doon nakitira eh. Si Wayne. Dami si Wayne, di ba? Si Wayne, kilala mo? Kasama nila ati ay.
So, paano yung rules? Rules.
Manood ka ng
Manood ng YouTube? Sige nga, manood tayo ng YouTube mamaya. Nang mahilig na.
Nanood din lang ako.
Wala niya.
Si Jeff nagtutukas.
Sir Jeff?
Si Jeff.
Sige, sige. Try.
Lima lang kami. 5, 6, 7.
Kasi masaya ko madaming kalaro, di ba? Let's see.
Kasi sila yung nakabakasyon na dalawang
Yung Dakap, doon sa may katapat ng Palisgan, sa may airport. Pero may Dakap dyan. Puro paddle. Meron talaga yung
Mahal ang paddle kasi, medyo mahal.
Yan lang naman kasi,
Tapos may net lang,
may net ng tennis court.
Oo.
Halos gano'n din din. Sa Atnic, may gano'n. Sa Pilipinas, sama sa pickleball, diba? Meron dito paddle.
Pickleball.
Pickleball din,
Iba
di ba ang paddle eh? May paddle.
Parang siguro
Paano?
Paddle yung design, di ba? Kasi yung ball ng
Cup tennis eh.
hindi. Yung paddle kasi parang tennis ang ball niya. Hindi nga. Naglaro kami.
Ganun din.
Parang tennis. Pero mas maluwang ang tennis. Parang ganito din. Or mas malaki din. Oo! Sige.
mahaba ng konti.
Let's try it first. Kasi ang liit lang. Ano niya rabbit, di ba? Sige, sige. Maliit yung ano niya, ba?
Tapos alam mo control, malakas ka pumala doon.
Kailangan ng control.
Ganun ba?
Baka sa doon, ha? Tapos mamaya may love ka sa pickleball, di ka na pickleball. Siyempre, yung first love niya ba?
Siyempre na.
Bibili ka na naman ng mga gamit sa ano ko, wag napatay na talaga.
Ay, pag nagustuhan naman.
Yun nga.
Ako, ang problema baka magustuhan.
Lahat yan. Kahit sila
Oh!
sa available.
So, pupunta dito ng Friday doon. Saan?
Last time.
Oh. Kumain pa rin. Ay, gagamitin ko na lang yung green.
Ako din yung isa. Yung luma. Ay! Same yung trabaho na.
Luma yung gagamitin.
Maganda din.
Magaan din siya.
Ano sa isa ka na din? Pwede 40 kaya parang maganda.
38.
38. Then 39. Space.
Ito sa malaki ah.
Wait, ang wait. Ah, for that.
Yeah. And also the difficult different because you try to use the left side, they pick up very easily. Would you like to give me some tips about the game?
Yeah.
You and Vicky.
As moms.
Sama na ba?
You know, like, there is one we met in France in Talipa. He gave me one number and he said this man is really good classes and training. So I was planning to go with him but because I went on vacations and maybe I don't know. We're planning with moms to go and go in one time. If you would like, I can like we can go. And he said it's like 30 dirhams for 2 hours. Like proper training. Where is it? Just here.
There is also like
Mix to mix to mix.
they here to serve the academy. I don't know. I didn't ask them. But they also give me really good. They focus totally on training, like 2 hours, 1 hour.
Yeah.
All
This is
training.
what he said just 2 hours.
Yeah, no game. So we used to see. Yeah. Very
How we
nice.
want to
Exactly. I used to see them actually. They would just the people. So one side they would stand, and then they would give it one point, one point, one all along the way.
Yes, yes. Together if we have like chocolate football, it's here. Did he call me?
So George, it's good. This racket is moving so good. I'm getting hang of it.
Yeah.
Today, yeah.
I'm playing with that racket again. After you play with that racket, when you take this racket, you're like, see what crap is this? Which one? Once you play with Navi's racket, then you switch back to this racket, you're like, gee.
जगह में आपने पेमेंट किए अरे भाईजान क्या बात चांस मिसिंग आज ये मुझे
Number 9.